This is the strip club that all of our school teachers told us that we'd end up working at. We're in our tiny ass hometown, and the girl that my boyfriend cheated on me with back in 2015 works at the Subway still. I used to have a tiny little YouTube channel with 100 subscribers, and she used to screenshot all my stuff and make so much fun of me.
We went in there to get a sandwich from her, and then she was giving us the stank eye, and I was just thinking to myself, bitch, you making sandwiches, we making content.
And that was the club. That was the club that would be throwing us at every weekend. This was our grocery store. This is the main grocery store, baby. If it wasn't in this cupboard, I wasn't eating it for dinner. And this grocery store is still making these makeshift lunch boxes. Literally had these every day because my parents were just failures. I was eating this processed shit every single day. And I think Molly...
The bitch that was that this fucking slushy machine, she done pissed me off.
She was a bitch. And I think that somebody else...
watered down slush puppy, fucking bitch.
I think it got taken over by new owners or something, because she was rude as hell, and this was not like the old days. Not us giving the school that failed us a free shout out as well. And we hadn't been back to these school gates since the day that Bailey got food thrown at her and I got my hair ripped out of my head. And Bailey has the cutest dog, and he was giving me the side eye. He's jealous, but I think he secretly wants me. We're only here for a day, so we're taking our dad's car out for a little spin. We're filling that shit right to the top. We're going to see how much it costs first. I think I don't even know how much it was going to cost. Look at the fuel prices in Australia. $106 it costs to fill the entire thing. And she got fuel on the side of the freaking car. It's going to fuck the paint up. And by the way, in Australia, we don't have Burger Kings. We have Hungry Jack's. It's literally the same restaurant. But we were like reminiscing, chilling in here. It's literally just Burger King. This was the bar that every guy in this town would take a girl to for a date. And they spruced it up a little bit. They had plants and shit at the top. They upgraded. Bailey doing what she does best, looking around to see if anybody's looking and like stealing the prettiest flower in the whole town. This is what we would eat after we would have a night at that bar, and we'd be super hungover. We'd be eating these like chips, cheese, and gravy packets, like so many of them. And then we went to this one park. You know what? It's actually slaying. This park's kind of really pretty. And we used to sesh here and smoke up in this crocodile. It's so like funny coming back, like, you know, like 8 years later. And us kids used to spread so much rumors, like saying this old lady like lived in the shoes. So we were knocking and running, expecting her to come out and like chase us the hell down. There is photos of us sitting on top of this Flintstone. I don't know how the hell we got up here. And then somebody turned the sprinklers off, probably because they wanted us to get the fuck out of this park or something. And in Australia, we have these bin chickens, which is like a bird that also an Asian man got caught eating and serving at a restaurant in Australia. These birds, wild birds, they're protected as well. They used to have a bucket at this water park and it would like fill up and splash down. Bailey was like, oh my God, Tremaine, which is her brother, let's do this for the vibes. Let's do it for the memories. And then she ended up ditching him and he got soaked, looking like a drowned rat sitting on the chair. And this town writes so much news articles about me. Look how many pages they have of just me, just content of me. And then we went to Caneland Central, the shopping center, and we went to McDonald's and we got our favorite food, you know, like cheeseburger, putting fries on it. That's my little secret. I was making Bailey try it. She was making me try the chips and the ice cream, something I can't get behind. Fuck that. And now we're at Woolworths buying a lot of snacks for the road trip home tomorrow because we're getting the hell out of here. And we took her little wing